All right, thanks a lot for that, Abhishek. Well, the other big mover to its numbers is SRF, and Sonal tracks that very closely. For today, she's going to tell us through the expectations, and tomorrow she'll give us a review, post the numbers. Sonal, expectations?
Well, expecting very strong set from SRF this time around, Nigel. A revenue growth of 35%, EBITDA growth of 42%, leading to a margin expansion of around 100 basis points. And this will lead to a profit growth of 49% for this particular company in the quarter gone by. Now, what will lead to this growth this time? It will be driven by all the three segments, that is packaging, specialty chemicals and refrigerant gases for the company as well. Strong momentum in specialty chemicals, that is because there'll be buoyancy in prices, and volume growth will also be seen in packaging films as well for the company. Chemical segment is expected to grow anywhere between 55 to 65%, and this time around it will be driven by export markets for the company. Packaging business, the growth here is expected to be very strong as well, and it will be driven by new commission capacity, so volume growth here is expected to be higher. Chemical segment margins, however, are expected to moderate on a quarter-on-quarter basis. This is due to seasonality, and technical textile margins are expected to remain stable on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Packaging segment, however, will see an impact on a quarter-on-quarter basis because BOPET prices have gone down. There are some inventory losses, but despite that, on a YOY basis, we'll see a big increase for this company, and ahead of results, there is some profit taking that we are seeing in the stock today.
Sonal, thank you very much for that. So that's a well-watched, well-tracked company, SRF. Neeraj, thank you very much for joining us today. It's always a pleasure. Appreciate it. Let's just quickly start wrapping up things. It's not a bad close, although it's lower by about, 70 points or so. Mid-caps and small caps did much better as compared to large caps, although a quarter percent, less than a quarter percent in that range. Metals and pharma's two sectors did were higher today. Consumers, PSU banks, real estate,